gonna start.
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm waiting.
Oh, hey guys, RollT.T.TV here.
It's Speedy Lee here.
Let me just put those puppies.
Alright guys, so we are back home and we are gonna start working on this beautiful beast again. There's not much to do, we just need to check over a couple things. We need, again, exhaust manifold bolts fell out, so I went and got new ones. Hopefully these are the right ones. Because, so on the SN95s, they don't use like studs, they use these bolts and these are GM, so they're like a GM style Chevy exhaust manifold bolt. So I'm not 100% sure if these are the right ones because there were two, but we'll try these. Worst case, we return it. I'm gonna throw some Loctite on it. So we're gonna fix that. There's also exhaust, I think it's exhaust or it's my drive shaft is spinning, but either way there's air coming up through where my old e-brake came through. So right there, air is coming through there, so I'm gonna make sure that it's not exhaust and it's just drive shaft. I also feel like I have a misfire, so I'm gonna check the wires and the plugs and stuff and just make sure that we're not doing that because
Gotta delete that.
So I'm just worried that it'll be breaking up and stuff because the next event we're gonna go to is round 4 at Evergreen. So, and that's the 3/8 bank, so it really needs the power to stick in there. So
Catch me on that bank.
Freaking. So yeah, let's just start getting to work and start fixing these things. Alright, so those are all tight, so now we're gonna go see how she sounds.
Yeah, it's not lit up in that picture.
What do you have to modify?
The headlights are plugged and play.
Okay, so the exhaust manifold bolts are in. I don't know if it's leaking because I hear an exhaust leak. I don't know if it's from here or if it's from just the exhaust underneath, but I'm gonna jack up this side of the car, go underneath and see what type of air is coming through there. If it's just the drive shaft or if it's exhaust, because if it's exhaust we need to fix it. If it's drive shaft then it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so I'm gonna jack this side up, look underneath and then see what happens, and then if these guys leave soon, we'll take it for a drive and we'll see how she drives with all that. Okay, so a couple issues I found is the end of my exhaust is crumpled up like that, so that's restricting flow. And if you look at the bend in my exhaust pipe, it's increasing because I keep bottoming out. So I'm probably gonna have to run a custom exhaust this winter, but We gotta figure out where that exhaust leak is coming from. So I'm going to start it and take a look. Okay, so it does turn out that it's just making that sound out of the back of the exhaust. So we're fine there. I might go underneath and try and pry that hole open more so it's not restricting as much. And then I think what we'll do is we will drop it down and drive it down the block to see if anything changes in oil pressure or anything like that, and if she misfires.
I have my seatbelts on. See? Hi.
Got low coolant. She's on the phone. Hey, that was cute. Oh, God. Hey, there's some,
What is that?
The smoke.
Yeah, you're smoking.
You just roasted mine.
No, I didn't spin that at all.
It was. It looks like you just ran your fingers through the smoke and said it's oil. It's not oil. No, I know it's smoke. I thought he was rubbing the smoke.
So she's burning oil. I'm wondering if it's because I overfilled it or maybe the rings are fried when I lost oil pressure. She's smoking pretty bad right now. Okay, so she's burning a lot of oil, so what we're going to do is hook up the compression tester to every cylinder and see if any of the rings are fried. If it is, I don't know what to do, but let's cross our fingers, just hope that I overfilled the oil and it's just doing that. So pull it out of gear
Yeah, it's literally the worst thing to do because it becomes security off.
and then push the start button.
The big button?
Big chrome one.
The stage.
Stop.
So literally no compression.
0.
What?
Okay, try it again.
There.
Stop. Try it again. It jumped all the way up to 120. Hold on. Do it again.
This is flux.
Okay, Colin,
capacitor.
try it.
There.
Nope, that's totally blown out.
I think that ring's blown. Yeah.
What was this compression?
150.
Yeah. Fuck. Cylinder 1.
Okay, so Rome.
Only way. We might as well check them all. See how bad they are.
That's what I was gonna do.
'Cause this
That's
one,
yours. I want to loosen it up a bit more.
That one's fucked.
I think it can go
This
higher
one's
too.
good. Alright, Colin. Try it. That one's fine.
They work.
Yeah, because you take it out of gear.
Car's broken, Earl. It's a write-off.
Yeah, well, it probably should be a write-off. It's not. Just get in.
Right.
Keep.
That's fine.
Where?
That clears.
Back there.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I had to walk away from the car for a little bit because it just really sucks that that happened. So I guess basically when the oil pump seized and I lost oil pressure, I guess from running it, even the little bit amount that I did, fried the one of the piston rings. So now we have like 20 psi of compression in there when every other cylinder is at like 150. So it really just sucks, especially right after we rebuilt that engine. So I'm probably gonna call it for the rest of the season. That means we won't be going to round 4 or 5. That means I did have planned to do a couple other fun events, but it looks like I won't be able to go to those, so I'm gonna call it for the year, because the season's almost done anyways. So I guess the plan will be that we will pull the engine out, take that piston out, replace the rings, throw it back in, torque everything down, put it back in the engine, and hopefully there's no more damage than just that. It really sucks that we have to do all this, because this was the one year I didn't want to take on a crazy project like an engine rebuild or anything like that, but I mean, it's just the way she goes, right? That's the name of the game. Stuff happens, but on a positive note, at least this means that I can not worry about the Mustang, save up more so that we can do more cool stuff to it during the winter. We're definitely going to do body work. We definitely have to fix the engine. We might add some power mods to it, and then we will finally take it to go get its proper custom tune to see how much power she makes to the dyno. I really want her to make 300 to the wheel. My end goal is 400 to the wheel on a 5 liter. So, but like, who knows, maybe stuff will change during the winter, but that's the plan as of right now. So I really hope you guys like the video. Please help out the channel by subscribing, liking the videos, and hitting the bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.